Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about NYX or NYX Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Definitely a must in the makeup world. You need to have a setting spray. It just helps your makeup last a lot longer than it normally would if you didn't use it, especially in like humid weather and stuff like that. I mean, today it's weird because it's been a cold day, but in the heat, in the humidity, your makeup could melt off and it could be like a gross mess. So I use this to help my makeup stay put. Like, it depends. So I'm going to like a wedding or something and I'm doing my makeup, and I love makeup, by the way. I'm a makeup junkie. I'm doing my makeup for a wedding, and then like I need it to last a long period of time, or if I'm going out in the city, or it just depends what I'm doing. I always use this, but it definitely is something that could be used every day. It's a lightweight makeup setting spray that works hard to make sure your makeup stays put. It sets your makeup resisting unwanted color fade, and it has a long-lasting matte finish. So they had like two that I saw. I was actually looking online for a finishing spray, and I know I like NYX a lot. It's like a great brand and it's very well established. They had a matte finish, and then they had a dewy finish, which is long-lasting, durable makeup setting spray. A dewy finish, I'd rather have it's for face and body, both of these, but I'd just rather have the matte finish than the dewy finish because I use matte like foundation products and stuff like that. I like my skin to have that matte look as opposed to the dewy finish. I like it to look like dry, I guess, if you will. I don't know really how to put it, but I'd rather achieve that look. And I have like a oily T-zone, like my forehead to like my nose, like the center of my face to my chin, and I really can't stand it. I'm always using like the makeup blotting wipes to kind of fix that. I'm sure it bothers me and is more noticeable to me than anyone else, but I think that this product definitely helps with that. So it's like for that fresh makeup look that lasts, the NYX Makeup Setting Spray. That is a gorgeous shine-free matte finish that is lightweight and comfortable while working hard to make sure your makeup stays put. Product dimensions 1.4 by 1.4 by 4.8 inches. It is 1.6 ounces, and this is me going by the one that I have right here, the 2.03 ounce container. So I think the item is not eligible for international shipping. I think that just depends on where you get it from though, and they have like tons of videos online that if you don't know how to use a setting spray can like show you like a how-to video, but it's really pretty self-explanatory for the most part. Their products are 100% cruelty-free, which I think is so awesome. Oh, and by the way, before you use this product, make sure your eyeliner and your mascara are totally dry, because now I'm used to it, but in the beginning when I was using it, I would like flinch, and when I sprayed it, I would end up getting like just the eyeliner and mascara like on my face, and it was just like annoying because then I would have to redo it and fix it. But I definitely feel like not only does your makeup last longer, it makes your face look more natural and gives like a really pretty finish. It depends what look you want, because they do have like an all-nighter setting spray and stuff. They make different things. I just think that this is really nice for my oily skin. And this is just, it stays on. Like, I've had my eyes get watery, and usually like and if I'm not wearing like a waterproof mascara, it can like drip on my face and be messy, and I didn't have any of that experience with this product at all. So it tells you like some directions on here. Mist face evenly, holding the bottle 10 to 12 inches from the face. And the ingredients here: water, alcohol, BPVA, copolymer, propylene glycol, Nefolia aquifolium, root extract, plantago. Sorry guys, I'm like totally butchering these names. Sodium silate, disodium EDTA, and benzenoxidase. Sorry guys, I tried. I always end up butchering when I'm reading ingredients on things. And just warning, it's flammable. It's a plastic container. Super easy it's like a small size, so it's like definitely good to like bring in your bag. I'm going away next week actually. I'm going to be packing this with me, so it's definitely like, I think it has to be 3 ounces to get on the airline and is under that, so it's fine to bring in your carry-on bag. Made in China, and then the distributor is in Los Angeles, California. So you could pretty much find this in most beauty stores and online. And this is lightweight water-based setting spray that keeps your makeup looking matte and amazing, which it totally does. So guys, and I'm just gonna pop this off for you and show you. Spray a little bit of it. Oh, sorry, I'm spraying it the wrong way. Comes out clear. It doesn't, maybe a little bit of a light floral smell, but doesn't have much of a smell at all. And it kind of feels good when you're spraying it on, especially if it's like a hot day or something. It's just like, it's nice. It feels refreshing. Just spray it on my face and neck. So it's NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Hope you guys try it out and love it. Thank you so much for watching.